Hi, Dr. Z here. Tooth replacement options. Today's video we're going to be discussing what a dental bridge is. A dental bridge is anytime we have a gap in between two teeth, we can do a dental bridge, and it's pretty much three teeth. You could think of them connected together very strongly, and they look very natural the way we design them here at the office. So in this particular case that we're going to be discussing, the patient had an older bridge that was having decay around it and leakage. So this bridge has been in the patient's mouth for over 25 years. Patient did not really like the color of it also, and you could see the dark areas around this particular part. This is where the decay was starting, and there's a lot of recession too, as you could tell, and the color is not matching. So what we did is we removed the existing bridge that the patient had. So with a bridge we have a tooth, a gap, and then a tooth. And where the gap is, it gets connected to the teeth and it all covers the tooth. So the inner part of the tooth is still preserved and it's all connected. So in this particular case, we removed the existing bridge, we cleaned out the decay, and then we made a new bridge that matched the existing patient tooth color. This takes 2 visits. The first visit is a little bit longer than the second one. The first visit is about, I would say, maybe hour and a half tops, from the moment you walk in to the moment you walk out. And then in the second visit, really, it's very short. We usually take the temporary bridge off, so you don't leave the office with no teeth. When we remove the existing bridge that you have, or if we're starting a bridge, we would do a temporary bridge that you would wear for about 2 to 3 weeks with temporary cement, and then after that you would come in, we would take that off. It's very painless. We clean out the inner part of the tooth, and then we put the final glue in. After we try the bridge, make sure you like it, take an x-ray of it, make sure it fits very well. Then we would use permanent glue to put it in, and it stays there for a really long time. You could always give the office a call or call your dentist and see what they could do for you. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like and share it. You could follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook at Desert Breeze Dentistry. I hope this helps, and please share it if you thought it was helpful, and subscribe to our channel.